Hi YouTube, it's Elon QP, and I am here with an organizational project that I have. And what it used to be was an old microwave cart. I swapped out the top for a bigger piece that I just sanded smooth and um, shellacked, varnished. And on it I have my Genesis. And I did not buy the Genesis with a light kit, so I just bought an under-the-counter light that works just like the light switch. It fits nicely there. On this side, I have attached um, a decorative basket that I got from Michael's. I just attached it with 2 screws through the handle part up there, and it catches all the paper scraps from cutting. And on top, on this side, I have my Genesis cutter, and on the floor I have the Vagabond, should I ever want to do something that's thick. I have my 3-hole punch, and this is the latest addition to this cart. It is a wall hanging, file folder hanging thing, and in it I have my cutting plates so that they're handy and I can just grab them when I want to use them. Under here is my alcohol ink station. It's kind of in disarray, but all my alcohol ink, well, not all of it because my Copic reinkers are not down there, but the Tim Holtz and the Pinatas are down there. Also another cutter, some denatured alcohol, and a random catch-all bin with, I see some cutting plates, so I'm probably gonna move them. But I just wanted to show you something if you have an old microwave cart, how you can repurpose it into a cutting station. As always, I'll leave you in the hands of the Creator. Be blessed.